Hey, it's Jackie Tarleton, co-founder of Plant Chics, and welcome to day 9 of the 14-day Fiber Fuel Challenge. Today we're going to go outside and we are going to do a lower body workout. And don't forget, all of our workouts are created and designed by our award-winning trainer, Marcia Prince, co-founder of Plant Chics, and we are super excited to get this party started. Now, if you like this video, if you like this workout, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. We're going to use the band for some side stepping squats. Place the band above the knees. You're going to squat down and you're going to step to the side and then alternate sides. We're doing this 15 times, so that's 3 each direction. You want to try and sink down as low as possible. There's 6. Boom. 9. You got this. 12. One more on each side. Oh, yes. Good job. Go ahead and take off that band. Next up, we have jump squats, 15. So if you want to have high intensity, you're going to add that jump. If you want to take it to low intensity, just go up on your tippy toes. All right, here's 10 more. It's 10, 9, 8, power, spring it. Good, last 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good job. All right, we're going to grab the weights because we are going to do some one-legged deadlifts. You have to get your breath for a minute. And you can use light weights, medium weights, whichever ones you want. And you are going to stand on one leg. You choose which side you want to do. And the other leg will go extend back out behind you, and then you're going to stand up. So you are working that hamstring and glute on the standing leg. It's really good for core strength too, really good for stability. As we age, we lose our balance. So these are really good exercises to do, especially as we age. Good, keep it up. I think we're about 5 more left. You want to exhale as you stand up. Inhale and exhale, squeeze. And you really want to think about squeezing the glutes as you stand up. All right. Last one. Shake it out. And we get to do the same thing on the other leg. Now, you might notice that one side might be a little bit more stable than the other. See? I like to lose my balance. Exhale as you squeeze up. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. 10 more. You got this. Squeeze. Squeeze. And if you need to tap the toe on the ground for stability, do you. It's all good. Might be about 5 more left. You got this. Last 3, 2, and last 1. Great job. All right, beginners, you're going to keep playing the video and go on to the next set of exercises. Intermediate, you're going to rewind back to the main workout, do 1 more set, and advanced, you're going to do 2 more sets. And after you've completed your amount of sets you want to do, you're going to go on to the next set of leg exercises. Let's do this. Curtsy lunges. So you're going to bring one foot behind you and the leg that stays stationary, think about keeping all the weight in that heel and squeezing that glute as you stand it back up. We're doing 15 reps on each side. Good, almost there. And switch sides. So you're going to the other side, bringing the leg back behind you. Again, really thinking about keeping your core tight and squeezing your glute as you stand up. So you're getting a quad workout, but we really want to isolate that tushy. The Plant Chics were all about the tush. You got it. Almost there. All right, shake it out. Drop those weights. We are going to do skier lunges. So you're going to squat it down. We want you to stay low and shoot one leg back behind and bring it back forward. You're doing 15 reps on this side, about 10 more. If you want to increase the intensity, go faster. And instead of tapping the foot on the ground, you can bring your knee up towards your chest. Switch sides. So this is a little bit more of a cardiovascular work right here, but you're also working the core, the glutes. Almost there. Excellent, you got it. And release. All right, now we're going to take it down to the mat. We're going to do some bridges. You need your good old band. So you want to put the band above your knees, and you want to think about pressing your knees away from one another so you have constant contraction in your outer thigh. You're going to exhale as you squeeze your glutes up, and then inhale as you lower. Good. Exhale, squeeze glutes, inhale, lower. Exhale, squeeze glutes, lower. Exhale, good. Squeeze it. Excellent. Squeeze the tush. Squeeze the tush. It might be about 5 more, and we're going to hold it at the very last one for about 5 seconds. A couple more here. Squeeze and hold for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Release. All right, beginners, you're done. You get to stretch it out. Intermediate, do another set of these. Advanced, 2 more sets. Kudos. All right, great job. Let's stretch it out. Pull one foot in towards your tushy. Let's stretch out the quadricep. Try and keep your knees super close together. If you need to hold on to something to keep your balance, do that. Shake out your legs, switch sides. And get a really good stretch in that quadricep. Oh, it feels so good. Good. Let's go ahead and take it about hip width apart. Opposite shoulder drops down to your opposite knee. Switch sides. Getting a good stretch in that lower back. Excellent. Roll it up and lower down, stretching out the lower back. Let's take it over to one side. And let's turn it towards the back of the mat into a low runner's lunge. Drop your knee down to the mat. Pull your heel in towards your tush, stretching out that hip flexor. Excellent. Release. Tuck the toe under. Low runner's lunge. Take it over to the side. Up and over to the other side. And turn it to the top of the mat. Low runner's lunge. Dropping the knees down to the mat. Heel in towards your tush. Again, good quadricep and hip flexor stretch. Excellent. Relax. Low runner's lunge. Lean it over to the side and bring it to the center. Slowly rolling it up. You guys did a great job. Make sure you take your sweaty selfie. And let's go ahead and get a little hamstring stretch, extending one leg out in front. Toes can come up. Good. Switch sides. Make sure you tag Plant Chics, #FiberFueled. We are so glad to have you in this challenge. We are so proud of you. And you are changing your body one meal, one workout at a time. Inhale, exhale, lower down. Great job.